Now let's take a look at how we can change the YouTube language to English on the iPhone, and let's get started. So when it comes to the UI and everything you do inside of the app, it's pretty easy to change the language in there. All you have to do is to locate your settings app, and at the bottom we have the apps section right here, and you can scroll toward the bottom entirely and you can find YouTube right here. That is, of course, assuming that you have the app properly installed on your phone, but most likely you do. And in here at the bottom, we have the language section right there. So you can click on it like this. It's going to give you the suggested languages at the top, which is like the most commonly used, especially the one you use for your entire phone. So right now it is already set to English, but you can choose it to be something else. And if you don't have it English, you can switch to the English right there. So as I'm saying, this is for the UI of the application, right? So if you, for example, just look up my videos right here directly on YouTube, right? So let me just go through it like that. You can see that I'm going to get inside. I'm obviously using the web method, but I'm going to jump right here. And if I start like, I don't know, whichever video I want, you're going to notice at the top that I have the ability to change and tweak the language settings. So at first I can enable the closed captions and subtitles, right? And then when I click on the gear icon, there is the ability to change the captions language. So obviously it has to be turned on, but for me, it is also English. If it's not the case, you can click on auto translate and pick the English or any other language which is available. So this is like a different level or like a layer where you can change the languages in YouTube. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it. If there are any additional questions, let me know about those as well. Thanks a lot, and I'm going to catch you in the future tutorials.